Take a look outside right now. Look at Clement Center Parkway. Right now, conditions are not safe to be on the roads. You have some heavier snow forming just over Elmira, Corning up near Watkins Glen as well. Quite a bit of activity going on. Now, as far as Debbie's path goes, it does continue to move out the region. Some of the heaviest rain has already started to push farther into Yates County. But just as Jim said, this is a life-threatening situation. But it looks like just a second ago, they got a snow squall warning issued. And I'm going to pull in just so you can see where the heaviest snow is coming down. Again, though, this is some of the heaviest rainfall that we're seeing right now, especially looking at down in Wellsboro and much of Tioga County right now. We're starting to look at rain moving in and becoming a lot more widespread across portions of western Pennsylvania. And I'm also starting to see some freezing rain starting to move in. And just look at this muggy meter, man. It's nearly off the charts, up and oppressive. We really do not get a setup like this. So this is a very unusual severe weather day. Those high dew points have our temperatures that are sitting already right now at 90. It's not even the hottest point of the day, and we're looking at feels like temperatures at 100 degrees in Elmira. But look at that in the blue. They're already starting to issue some extreme cold watches ahead of next week's extreme cold temperatures. Next low pressure system rolls in tomorrow, allowing us to potentially bring in the new year with some raindrops. But it is going to be a cold one. We are getting wind chill values as low as -20 degrees. It is so cold, but we are only 12 days away until the start of meteorological spring. Here at home, we've got an area-wide winter weather advisory. So we do have an 18 storm team weather alert day, which means heading into this evening, when this goes into effect at 4 p.m., you need to be weather aware because we will be looking at some snow and some sleet, which may make conditions slippery. The remnants of Tropical Cyclone Debbie impacted many of the areas across the Twin Tiers. I'm standing in front of one of the creeks that lead into the Canisteo River within the village of Addison, New York, where the lives of the local residents were put on hold. For those areas to experience mudslides and landslides that wash away those homes and cities. Now we're also looking at another major hurricane, which, by the way, this would be our second major hurricane in the last 2 weeks. For October especially, this is major. Now, currently, it's a Category 4 hurricane. We're at the Wisner Market in Elmira. We've got the most beautiful weather outside, and it's super warm, too, which means it's great ice cream weather. That's right, turning to our ice cream forecast. Happy Meteorology Monday, everyone. Well, we started off our work week with some light lake effect activity, and even this morning got some light snow and clouds blowing off those lakes. Lake effect is one of those things that happens all the time, but us meteorologists sometimes just forget to talk about what exactly it is. We're going to watch those temperatures continue to rise, with us potentially hitting 70 for our Sunday. I won't rule it out with all the deep southerly flow that we're going to be looking at, not only heading into this weekend, but also heading into next week. A little bit of a high weather impact day, right? That's because of the snow squalls this morning, and we also have more snow that's going to be coming this evening as well, just after dinner time. So those of you who may be getting off work a little bit late may be impacted by the snow again. I will continue to keep you updated on these snow squalls as they come in. For now, Denise, back to you.
Now your Storm Team forecast on News 34.
Good evening and happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Well, we are heading into 2025 with some rain showers, but our first few days of 2025 will actually be on the wintry side as we return to cooler conditions and also some chances for some snow showers heading into this weekend. You can see this low pressure system rolls through pretty quickly, and behind it, we transition to a much more lake-enhanced pattern, and this will stay with us as we head into this weekend and for the start of next week as well. But the main story starts this evening. Scattered showers rolling through and continue to roll through throughout the evening. Again, we'll be ringing in the new year with that rain, so I hope your New Year's Eve plans involve an umbrella or are inside. Now, those showers will actually linger just a bit into tomorrow morning, but again, we transition to a lake-enhanced pattern. Much colder air starts to flow in from that northwest, And what we're going to get is some snow showers as we head throughout our Wednesday afternoon and evening, likely still lingering through Wednesday night, with a chance for a couple more snowflakes as we head throughout our day Thursday. Now, the vast majority of us likely won't see much accumulation from this, but some of us, including Cortland County, heading towards Syracuse, up near Otsego County as well, likely may see a little bit more on the accumulation side, anywhere from 3 to 7 inches, especially again as you approach Syracuse. So just keep an eye on that if you plan to do any New Year's Eve traveling or going to celebrate with some family. You don't want to get caught in that snow. Otherwise, as we're counting down the ball drop, well, the main story is that temperatures tonight going to be in those upper 30s. So really mild tonight. I'm not mad at upper 30s. Tomorrow will be pretty mild as well. We'll still get into those low 40s, but the main story is going to be that we do transition to those snow showers. So keep that in mind for, again, those travelers. Otherwise, quick look at our 7-day as we head into the rest of our week. We are still going to be with those flurries, but it's also going to be windy, especially behind this frontal system that may make for some hazardous travel conditions on our roads tomorrow night and into Thursday. Otherwise, we're mainly cloudy and quiet and cold as we head into this weekend.